Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the adapter and phone ready. Now start by identifying the adapter type and powering the vehicle to on. Plug the OBD-ROMAN2 adapter into the port under the dash. Once inserted, wait for its LED or pairing mode. On your phone, enable Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and scan for the adapter name. Select it and enter PIN if prompted. Once paired, open the car app you intend to use so the app can detect the device and request permissions. With the adapter paired, open the OBD app and complete initial app setup. Grant any permissions it needs to communicate and read sensors. In the app's connection settings, choose the paired adapter and set the correct protocol if the app doesn't auto-detect one. Start a live session so the app negotiates with the vehicle ECU and begins streaming PID data. Make sure to map gauges you want on screen: speed, RPM, coolant temp, so the app displays them Once the app is streaming, place your phone where you can see it and activate the app's dashboard, or use screencast/mirroring to display visuals. Make sure the app stays connected while driving. If data drops, stop the session and reconnect the adapter from the app settings, then repair Bluetooth or Wi-Fi on the phone. If problems persist, try a different OBD app or test the adapter in another vehicle to isolate whether the adapter, app, or vehicle protocol is the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.